Hi everyone, my name is Robin Lewis, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this charging rack. Before getting too far into it, I just want to mention that TimberCon did send these to me as part of a promotion. Going forward, they're going to be stocking ISOtunes products, so if you're interested in these ISOtunes free earbuds or any of the ISOtunes range, head over to their website or check them out in store. For this project, I'm using some of these mango wood leftovers. They're pretty nice wood, they've got a lot of nice figure in them, and the first thing I need to do is flatten them and start the milling process. So I'll grab my ISOtunes earbuds. I've already done the pairing process for this, so I can get them in and I can get the music going. Okay, so with all of my usable timber cut down, I can now start flattening these faces, and I'll do that over on the jointer. Pretty much this whole project I had these ISOtunes earbuds in my ears, and as well as being very comfortable, there was also no movement. There was no point where I felt like the earbud was going to fall out. This is going to be the powered charging rack that's going to go inside the box. That delivery was good timing. Okay, that is the majority of the milling done, but before I move on to the next step, I just want to head upstairs and check on my drawings to make sure I'm on the right track. The main thing I wanted to check was that I have space for all of my devices. So I've got 3 mobile phones, I've got an iPad, and then a baby monitor at the back. In the front, I want to have a drop-in box where I can put all of my wireless headphones, including the ISOtunes. One thing that I really appreciated was being able to put my different pieces of PPE on without worrying about over-ear protection or a strap or a band across the top of my head. Everything could just go on without even thinking about it. That's all the parts for the top of the box taken care of. That'll get glued up later on. But for now, I'm going to move on to the bottom of the box. We're using these 3 pieces for it. Yeah, cool. All right, that's all good. I'll talk to you later. So with all the rebates and dados cut and the holes drilled through, I could now start assembly. And I'm using a very classic method of some blue tape and then pulling the whole box in together. You'll notice the bottom panel is plywood. This makes things a lot easier because you don't need to worry about expansion and contraction, and because of what this box is designed to do, you're pretty much never going to see the inside anyway. And then to clamp the box together, I took some gaff tape, and while wrapping it, I was pulling it really tight. So once I'd finished going around the entire box, it would start squeezing in, pulling those miters into themselves. It's the next day, the box is out of the clamps. What I'm going to do is cut a 45-degree off of this front piece. Now, looking at this, it's not going to be the easiest to access anything in this box, so just chopping 45 degrees off this should make it a lot better. I'll leave these splines to dry now for about an hour, which gives me a bit of a break to go and mow my lawn. With the glue dried, I could cut and sand down the splines and then apply an oil finish. We're upstairs in my kitchen now, and this is the clutter that I'm trying to take care of. You can see I've got some mobile phones. These are charging at the moment, some wireless earbuds, an iPad. These tend to just lie around this area and get charged whenever they need. All of the cables then are in this box over here. So just wrapped up. So now I get to get rid of all of this. I can take the box, put the charger inside, run one power cable around to the plug point so that I don't have all of these different chargers coming out of it. And then all of these cables can then be run from this box up into the devices. And then if I need to reuse cables for some devices, I can just pull the cables out a little bit further to reach the device I need. And then for things like the wireless earbuds, including my ISOtunes, they can live in this box so they're always charged, ready to go. So I want to say another very big thank you to Timbecon for sending me these ISOtunes free. It was a lot of fun testing these out, and I am incredibly impressed by the quality and the way they've improved my workflow in the workshop. It's really small things here and there, but having that freedom of movement with these at all times, it's just a game changer. So if you are interested in purchasing these ISOtunes free or any of the ISOtunes hearing protection, you can head over to Timbecon's website or check them out in store. My name is Robin Lewis. Thank you very much for watching. While I've got these, I've got one more job that I think they might help with. Look, I'm not saying this was in the original design spec for these, but I'm pretty sure most parents would find the value in this scenario.
Oh, who's a good little boy? Oh, good, 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 good. Oh, good, good, good.